Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your email on Dropbox. If you want to update your email address on Dropbox, you can go ahead and launch open a web browser first, since you will not be able to change the email within the Dropbox app on your mobile devices. Go ahead and open up a web browser of your preference and type in dropbox.com in it. Make sure that you're logged into your Dropbox account, and from the home page, tap on your name initial at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the General tab under Personal Account, scroll down and look for the Personal Email option. Tap the Edit button right next to your current email and then type in a new email address you'd like to use or change to. Confirm the new email by entering it again in the next field. Right where it says Dropbox password, enter your current password for Dropbox. Finally, click on Update Email. You will then need to go ahead and verify your new email, and then, right after you do that, you will be able to change your email address for Dropbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.